Okay, doing the installation procedure for the bed framework. This is the post. So there's 4 posts for each bed. There's 2 horizontal rails for each bed, and if you do order the optional flip-up kit, that's this guy right here. What we're after is, when you're doing an install, the bed needs to be as square as possible, vertically and across. So I'm going to measure to this. Personally, I'm going to measure to this back wall. You pick a point we're going to measure to, then forward up to the front of this rail. I'm going to repeat that on this side. This side is fairly easy because there's a stop point with the door. This side, I've already pre-installed the nuts with the serrated edge facing forward. And I'm going to use a framer square to get it lined up vertically as possible. I'm taking, basically would measure up to this from this back wall also. But I'm not currently doing that, I'm just showing the install. And you want those nuts to spin, you can see how that lands. Then lock. And that's essentially, and it's square, it's vertical, and that's essentially how you want that to be installed.